I'm fancy. I'm bougie. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Alright guys, today we are reviewing an oldie but goodie. It's summertime, it's hot outside, we need short units, and this one was trending for a while, a long time ago, but I recently saw DizastrousBeauty review, and she reviewed this unit twice. She said she did it about 3 years ago, and then she recently did it again because she loved it so much. So I was like, you know what, girl, what is the hype with this one? I mean, I've seen her floating around, and honestly, I bought this unit because I was supposed to go to a murder mystery party. Yes, you heard me right, a murder mystery party, like birthday thing, and it didn't work out. You know, Rona came and messed everything up. So I've been sitting on her for a while, but I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and bust her out. Like, why are we just sitting on wigs? We don't have time to just be sitting on wigs. We need to review these wigs. So the wig I'm talking about today is Miss Lovely Nuna. Yes, you've seen her. I'm telling y'all, y'all have seen her. Stop acting like you don't know who Noona is. Everybody know Noona. So this is a simple, y'all know what I call these. I call these my hat wigs. These are my wigs I wear to go out the house, run a Target, run a grocery store, do it real quick. These are my simple, easy plop and go. So this wig has no combs, okay? It's a full cap, and it looks like it just has a lace part right here, but really easy, simple peasy. So you grab your ear tabs on the side, you got ear tabs right there, and you just put her on your head. So it doesn't really matter what cap you have. Let's see what Noona is looking like. I'm nervous, y'all. So Miss Noona is from It's a Wig. Look at Noona. So we definitely gonna have to fix her up. This is what she's looking like out the pack, but the way people are talking and slaying this wig, I know we can do some work to her. So she comes out the pack looking like this, and of course you don't wear your wigs coming out the pack looking like the way they look, right? So you need to fix her up. I do like the fact that this cap is really stretchy. So let's bring her to life. Let's go ahead and play a little bit of music and bring her to life real quick.
Been that number one diva in this game for a minute. Is a stick up, I never dance for that money. Stick up, I never dance for that money. Diva is the female version of a hustler.
Okay, beauties, as we see, what did we do? What did we do? We just used a little bit of magic fingers and a comb, raked her up a little bit, brought her to life because she was over there sitting for a while. Like, why y'all ain't messing with me? Y'all scared? Y'all scared to bring me out? You scared? Yeah, we were scared. We were scared. But you know what? She's cute. She is actually cute. When I first took her out, I was like, I don't know about Miss Noona, because she definitely needs like some manipulating and stuff, but I get it. I see what the hype is about Miss Noona. This is that wig that kind of gives you those nice like finger waves going on. She would have been perfect. Can y'all imagine me going to a 1950s murder mystery party with this? Like, I would have been slaying it with my little headband. Ooh, she would have been cute. I need a hat. I need to start buying hats. Can y'all imagine this with a hat? Look how cute she would be. Oh my goodness. So Miss Noona is super easy, super affordable. From It's a Wig, I have the color 1B. She has a whole bunch of other colors. She has a lot of fun other colors in here, and I think I might need to go back and get some other colors. I think I messed it up with my little hat I put on. She has some mustard, some blueberries, some red, some... It's a nice little funky colors in here, but I'm kind of glad I bust her out because now I got a wig for work, y'all. I got a wig to just, I don't know if I want to wear her to work, because if I wear her to work, y'all know everybody gonna be requesting me. Can she be my therapist? Can she be my therapist? Because this wig is cute. She's cute. I feel fancy. I kind of feel bougie in this wig. Like, you see how my mood just changed? I feel like, ooh, I'm fancy. I'm bougie. It's crazy what wigs do to you. Let me know if you have Miss Nuna. Have you ever tried her? I know she's an older wig. Would you wear her? What you think about her? Let's talk it up. But definitely I would recommend this wig. Easy plop and go. Nice look for like sophisticated vibes going out. But she's definitely cute. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.